Hey, what's up, fellas? This is the final filler here for this coin winner's choice. We're looking for top two advance to the main. We're live. 1141. 1141. List here. 5 entries. Roy on the top. Matthew on the bottom. You need 2 dice. 5 or higher. We got 12 times. Let's begin. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. After 11 times, you got Matthew and Pete on the top. Excuse me. Good luck. 1141. 1141. Last and final roll. Top 2 advance. Congratulations goes to Pete and Pete. Wow. Congratulations, Pete. I'll just go ahead and add your names in there. We are done at 1141. 1141. Congratulations, Pete. Sorry, everyone else. Thanks for playing. Take care.